Hi friends, I am back again. Hope you are all safe at your places. Today's topic is the support and package in respect of MSME and other business enterprises given by our Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji under Atma Nirbhar Bharath Abhiyan, that is Self-Reliant India Movement. Emergency working capital facility given to MSME and other business enterprises. This facility is available to the MSME and other business enterprises unit which are having annual turnover of rupees 100 crores or less in the financial year 1920, that is 2019-20. The amount of loan will be restricted to 20% of the loan amount balance standing in the loan account of the borrowers as on the last date of February 2020. This loan will be in the form of term loans having a repayment holiday of 1 year and a term of 4 years for repayment. However, the interest rate is capped at 9.25% if the advance is given by the banks and the financial institutions, and 14% if the loan is advanced by NBFCs. The other condition to avail this loan is the units having the balance in their loan account up to 25 crore is eligible to avail this additional working capital facility. One more condition to avail this facility is the loan should be regular in the books of account of the bank. That means the installments and the servicing should be regular and it should be considered standard assets in the banks. This scheme is available up to 31st October 2020. In respect of these advances, the units need not provide any guarantee or securities. Instead, the government will bear 100% guarantee. This loan is provided under GECL scheme, that means Guaranteed Emergency Credit Line Scheme. In respect of MSMEs, that is stressed MSMEs having SMA 0 and SMA 1 in banks, that means the substandard assets will be having the facility to avail 15% of their loan amount in stake or rupees 75 lakh, whichever is less. The central government has created a MSME fund of 10,000 crores rupees which will be utilized to fund the needy MSMEs by way of equity funding. This will be available to the extent the fund is exhausted. That means any MSMEs will be given equity funding up to 10,000 crore rupees is exhausted in the fund. The definition of MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises is changed. In addition to the increase in investment in plant and machinery limit, one more dimension is also included to decide the status of MSME, that is micro, small and medium enterprises. What are those limits? Earlier, the units having investment up to 20 lakhs was considered micro enterprise. Now this limit is being enhanced to 1 crore rupees. In the similar way, the small enterprises, the investment of which was only 2 crores, now it is being enhanced to 10 crores, and the medium enterprises, which was earlier the investment limit was rupees 10 crore, now it is increased to 20 crores. One more dimension in respect of turnover of MSMEs, that is with respect to the micro enterprises, the turnover limit is 5 crores, and with respect to the small enterprises the turnover limit is 50 crores, and the medium enterprises the turnover limit is 100 crores. In order to boost the liquidity in the hands of the enterprises, the government has decided to settle the dues payable to the MSMEs within 45 days. That means any MSMEs which is having any dues from the government in respect of projects or any other on accounts, this will be settled by the government within 45 days. The general financial rules will be amended so that the global tenders in respect of procurement of goods and services up to rupees 200 is not to be allowed. That means any tender from outside the country will not be accepted in respect of procurement of goods or services up to 200 crores rupees. As given in our earlier briefings, the Provident Fund contribution to the smaller organizations borne by the government for 3 months from March to May 2020 has been extended under this scheme for next 3 months, that is June, July and August 2020. Similarly, the EPF contribution in respect of all establishments in respect of private sectors is reduced from 12% to 10% for a period of 3 months for the months of May, June and July 2020. The contractors handling the central government projects, that is the projects of railways, project of transports, public work or any CPWD works will be given a time limit of 6 months to complete the projects. With respect to real estate projects, again 6 months relaxation is being given to the projects to be completed, and with respect to the registration and the completion of projects and to file the returns concurrently. This 6 months relaxation may be extended by the states for an additional 3 months depending on the situation in the relevant states in respect of pandemic. Also, the penal provisions in regard to the defaults of RERA projects are suspended for this 6 months. That means no penal actions will be undertaken for the delay in completion of projects, the delay in registration, the delay in payment of funds or the delay in filing the returns with regard to the RERA rules. Hope you are clear with the provisions. Thank you.